Can you get completely out of debt through Chapter 13? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And the answer to that question is yes, you can get completely out of debt through Chapter 13, and you should do that in your Chapter 13 case. That is, debt except for your house note, your mortgage, if you're buying a house. At the end of your Chapter 13 plan, when it's paid all the way out to completion, your mortgage should still exist, but it should be current. You're not behind like perhaps you were when you started the plan. Everything else should be paid off. So let's talk about that for a couple of minutes. Your car should be completely free of debt at the end of your Chapter 13 plan. Perhaps you've paid your car back at a lower payment with lower interest. Another advantage. All of your unsecured debt like credit cards and medical bills would be completely gone in Chapter 13. It is a plan. That's what it's referred to, a plan, a reorganization plan. It is a good plan that will allow you to become completely debt-free, except for your home, in a short period of time, in a few years, whatever the length of your plan is. It usually takes 3 to 5 years to complete it, but if you make all those payments, pay it all the way out to conclusion, you have a debt-free life. If that's what you want, you go from where you are now to where you can just imagine you could be free of debt, with able to keep all your money to provide for your family, to save money, or whatever it is you want to do once that plan is completed. And all you really have to do is devote your best efforts to making that payment, a smaller payment, a very smaller payment, a small percentage of what you actually owe in most cases. That is something for you and your attorney to decide. How much can you really afford to pay? That is the question. You have to use your best efforts at repayment, and that is a matter for you and your attorney to discover. Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and you have some bills you can't pay. If you're behind on your house note, behind on your car payment, any of those things, and you want a chance to live a life free of debt, I'd love to talk with you about that. Call me right now for a free appointment, or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.